APLD stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Applied Digital stock or buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented by the way. No one else has come even close. And genuinely looking at APLD, I'm open-minded for longs. But that ends there. You know, I'm not here randomly buying or really anything. The only thing that's going to make me be bullish on this one, like I mentioned in this previous video, is a full-on candle close above 1068-ish, 1070, let's put it this way. If there is not a double break, bro, why the heck would I buy? And with APLD on top of it, I've got about 67 results, so it's a lot. It's obviously not financial advice, and I'll continue to keep you updated, but yeah, that's ultimately where we're sitting at. I mean, great stuff about this now. It's $10. It began when I was 5, went 15. That's a genius 3x, right? You can see it was 566 at this time of making this video 2 months back. And yeah, it was great. Stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.